I know I have showcased this figure before on my channel, but here's the Carnegie Oviraptor with a proper review. For those who don't know, Oviraptor is a genus of theropod dinosaur from the late Cretaceous of Mongolia. Its name means egg thief and was originally thought to have that the eggs were that was stealing eggs. However, it has now been known that it was actually guarding those eggs, and this can lead to misunderstandings. I mean, this is a Carnegie figure from 2006. I really like the colorful feathering. Now this is kind of strange because one of the arms here looks pronated, which isn't scientifically accurate. The other one isn't. How is this possible? Also, it doesn't have much feathering as I like it to show. And I really don't think that I should be with this figure as much. I mean, I like the color scheme, but Schleich made a better Oviraptor in 2018, which is this year, and it looks a lot better than this thing. So, for ratings on scientific accuracy, I'd go with 7 out of 10. I mean, those wings would have felt better if they were attached to the second finger rather than just the third. And its tail should really be horizontal. By the way, we're exactly unsure if Oviraptor did really sport the crest, the head crest. I mean, Citipede being one of the most misunderstood dinosaurs makes sense. I mean, it's got its official name in 2001. But another thing here, out of the 5 ratings that this figure will get on my channel, I'd go with, the choice is yours, which would be 6 or 7. Reason why is 5 or 6, although I decided to go with 7. Main reason why is because of how unusual this thing is, and it was very vibrant. It's just how the feathering isn't complete. I'd like to see Safari Limited improve this on the next Oviraptor figure. I might replace this thing in my collection for the Schleich Oviraptor and give this one to someone who does collect prehistoric figures and would like it. So I'm signing out.